Welcome back to our series where we discuss optimizing your website for conversions. I just hosted a workshop on building a website that converts, and if you missed it, I'll be posting the replay very soon via YouTube, and I'll be emailing folks the invite, so be sure to visit our website to subscribe or visit our YouTube channel. So let's talk about your About Us page. Today, we're going to zoom in a little bit on this powerful aspect of your website, and most often the missed opportunity, which is your About Us page. And you might not realize it, but this page is often the second or even the third most visited page on your website. And we're just going to quickly explore why and how you can make the most of it. When potential clients visit your website, they're not just looking for what services you offer. They want to know who you are. The About Us page is where they're going to peek behind the curtain and see the faces and the stories behind your moving company. They're going to ask themselves the basic questions of how long have you been in business? What got you interested in the moving industry? How did you start the business? What is the vision? What's your mission? How do you recruit your team? What's the culture like? What community functions are you involved in? So again, primarily it's about building trust. I mean, anybody can whip up a website, as we've all seen on kind of these scam YouTube channels that I tend to watch, where you're just kind of looking out for the red flags. And if your website has red flags on it, like stock photos, no real team photos, AI images, all of those things it puts you at a disadvantage. And so my repeating mantra for any moving company website is moving is a personal experience. Clients, your customers are inviting you into their homes and trusting you with their belongings. They want to feel confident that they're choosing a reliable, trustworthy company. Your About Us page is where you start building that trust. Well, actually, your homepage is where you're going to start. But as they go through and go to a service page or an estimate page, they might check out your About Us page. And by sharing your story, your values, you're going to be able to kind of distinguish what sets you apart. And secondly, it's about building a connection. People relate to stories and faces more than they do services and prices. Highlight your team, your history, what drives you. Is it a family-owned business? Is entrepreneur? Is it a team? Did your company start from a small family-owned business? Have you been in the industry for decades? These details create a connection that turns a visitor into a customer. Now let's talk about how to craft an engaging About Us page. And it should be more than just a timeline of your company or a list of your services and how you provide quality services. It's narrative. Share your story, the challenges you've overcome, and the successes that you have celebrated. Include photos of your team, your fleet, maybe even a behind-the-scenes look at your operations, your office staff, your storage, your warehousing, inside the truck, inside the cab of the truck. Remember, authenticity is key. Be genuine in your storytelling. Let your passion for what you do shine through. This authenticity is going to resonate with your audience. Make them feel more comfortable choosing you for their big move. Now, in conclusion, your About Us page it's not just filler. You're not going to say, "We exist to help you move. We have quality service. We will move your home." And that's not an About Us page. It should be a powerful tool that you're going to extend trust and connect. It gives your business that human touch that we all really crave nowadays. It gives it a face, a story that 100% can set you apart in a crowded market. All right, so thanks for tuning in. This is a short one. Join me next time as I'm going to continue to delve into the world of digital marketing tailored for the moving industry. Until then, keep moving forward.